Basic steps in Quickstep. The lady will begin with her left foot, back, side, close, side. When she makes the back, she will make a long step, reaching, bending her front leg. She will not put any weight on this foot until the front foot that she's leaning on moves to the side. Therefore, her weight stays upright over the supporting leg. Back, side, close, side. She then continues facing this corner as opposed to backing this corner. If you want to look at directions of dance, please see my video on it. I will assume by now you've watched my directional videos. So where she began backing, wall, travelling in the direction of line of dance, but backing diagonal wall, she will now face diagonal centre, still travelling along the line of dance, with a forward, reaching again, leading with the heel, no weight on that foot until she does side, close, side. So the lady steps, starting with the back foot, are back, side, close, side, forward, side, close, side. So I'll do those in small steps just so you can see the two together for now. But remember, the first steps are long. So back, long, side, close, side, forward, long, side, close, side. If you want to just get the footwork first, that's fine. But remember, the first steps are long because they're slow. Slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. The man does exactly the same thing for basic. He will obviously be travelling in hold, down line of dance, but he begins facing diagonal wall. He starts with his right foot. Instead of going backwards first, he goes forwards and vice versa on the second part. Forward, side, close, side, back, side, close, side. The side, close sides always go directly down the line of dance, and we've made almost a zigzag pattern. So again, for the man, forward, side, close, side, back, side, close, side. We can also make lockstep. We can make various lock steps. If we're in 4-4, which Quickstep is, we need to make 4 counts. So we do forward, forward, cross behind, forward for the man. So again, man starts right foot, forward, forward, cross, forward. And the girl would make, stepping back with her left foot, back, back, cross in front, back. And then she can continue again with another basic if she wants. So the girls' lockstep, starting with the left foot, back, back, up on the ball with this back foot, stay on the ball, cross in front and back again. And then continue with whatever step you want going back on the left foot. Show you the man's lockstep again. Making 4 counts, starting with the right foot, forward, forward, going up on the ball, cross behind on the ball, and forward again. Now having your right foot free to continue with perhaps a basic again.